everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their Brother PT-D450, PT-D600, or PT-D600 VP PC label maker, the Dysead AC adapter charger. When it comes to powering your devices, especially something you use regularly for organization or crafting, having a dependable and safe charger isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. This particular adapter from Dysead aims to deliver exactly that. One of the standout features that immediately catches the eye is the emphasis on safety. The manufacturer proudly states that this charger comes with international quality certification, ensuring it meets top industry standards. This isn't just marketing fluff. It translates into practical protection for both the charger and your valuable label maker. It incorporates multiple safety mechanisms, including robust protection against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. This comprehensive suite of safeguards provides significant peace of mind, knowing that your device is protected from common electrical mishaps. In terms of its technical specifications, the Dysead adapter boasts a versatile input of AC 100-240V at 5060 Hz. This wide voltage range means it's suitable for use in various regions around the world, making it a great option for travelers or those who might move between different electrical standards. The design also focuses on high power exchange efficiency, which is crucial for maintaining a stable working temperature. This efficiency helps prevent the adapter from getting excessively hot during prolonged use, contributing to its longevity and consistent performance. The charger itself is a sleek black unit, manufactured by Dysead, and weighs a mere 4 ounces. This lightweight design makes it incredibly portable, easy to toss into a bag with your label maker without adding significant bulk. It's designed to be a straightforward, plug-and-play solution. A very important point to remember, as highlighted by the manufacturer, is to always ensure you choose the right device before purchasing. This specific adapter is tailored for the PT-D450, PT-D600, PT-D600 VP, and PT-D600 VP models. Double-checking your label maker's model number against this compatibility list is a small step that saves a lot of hassle. Overall, the Dysead AC adapter charger presents itself as a highly reliable and safe power solution for your compatible Brother PC label maker. Its focus on international safety standards, efficient power delivery, and lightweight design makes it a compelling choice for anyone looking to replace an old adapter or simply have a reliable spare. It's a practical investment to keep your label maker powered up and ready for all your labeling tasks.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.